Hello everyone and welcome to this demonstration. So in this video I'll be walking you through the steps I have taken to set up Active Directory domain service on my server. So I will specifically show you the Active Directory is installed and enabled, that my domain is async.com. And finally, I will provide both command line and graphical evidence of logging in with the domain administrator account. So firstly, let's confirm that Active Directory domain service has been successfully installed and is active on this server. I will navigate to the server manager, which is already open on my desktop. As you can see here, under the roles and server groups, on my left side, there is ADDS, which stands for Active Directory Domain Services. It's listed. This indicates that the role has been successfully installed. You can see that on my left side, on my left navigation side, the ADDS. So here you can see several tools. Fine, yeah, on that one, this one. So to further verify the status, we can go here on the tools side, which is on my top left navigation, and look for the Active Directory Administrative Center, which is here. Active Directory user and computers, Active Directory sites and services. The presence of these tools confirm that Active Directory is not only installed but also enabled and ready for management. So you can see all these ones on my right side. So next, let's confirm that our domain has been correctly named async.com. So there are a few ways to verify this, but straightforward method is to look at the local server view in the server manage, or I can use we can use the command line utility. So here I'll go on you click the local server, and under the properties you can see the domain name is async.com. So this confirms that the server is a domain controller for the async.com domain. For additional verification, let's quickly jump to the command line. So you should make sure that your command line you're running it as the administrator. So so in this case I'll type system info, system info, then I'll press enter. So this command provides wealth information about the system, including its domain. So I have to scroll up and you will find the domain entry, once again confirming async.com here under page files locations here. Yeah, right. So now let's provide evidence that I'm currently logged in with the domain administrator account. So we will start with the command line, which offers clear insights into the current user context. So the simplest command to show the current user is who am I. So I'll type here who am I, then press enter. As you can see here, the output is async, then my username. So in other cases, the username maybe your username will be administrator, it will show a thing forward slash administrator. If your username is Ronald, that's what it will show. Another, yeah, but we are not going to use it. Another useful command, you can use net user. It will show again. The command will provide the details about the administrator of the account. So the output confirms the administrator account details. The important part here is the confirmation that this is indeed the built-in administrator account within our domain. For group membership, we can use net local, net space local group, then press what? This enter. So yes, here you can see uh, uh, a thing forward slash. You see a thing forward slash my username. Okay, it's listed as a member of the local administrator group, further solidifying that we are operating under the domain administrator context. So finally, let's provide graphical user interface evidence that we are logged in as the administrator, as the domain administrator. This is often the most intuitive way for many to confirm current user. So this one's very simple with Windows, with the Windows that I'm using. You can just close the start bar, click here. Sorry, yeah, just click here on the settings. So here, yeah, you can clearly see you see the domain and the current user information, right? A thing forward slash the username and is the administrator. Um, so another way, you can go to the you go open the task manager, then go to the users. Under users, you see the username here of the administrator, right? And and so yeah, so I think that's it that I wanted to show you. So to just summarize, we have successfully demonstrated that active domain directory server services is installed and enabled on this server, that our domain is correctly named async.corp, and we have provided both command line and graphical evidence of being logged in with the domain administrator account. Thank you for watching. See you next time.